Home Remedies presents Why Die When You Have a Holy Plant That Cures the Rich and the Poor. Holy basil is rich in vitamin K, a fat-soluble micronutrient that helps support heart health and bone mineralization. In fact, 1/2 cup of fresh leaves contain almost your full daily recommended intake of vitamin K. The nutrient is also beneficial for digestive support and brain function. Basil tea is just awesome, delicate and flavorful, made with this simple and wonderful herb basil that actually provides us with numerous health and nutritional benefits. This aromatic basil leaf is power-packed with hundreds of compounds that work together to create strong antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, and immune-enhancing properties. This helps in supporting the body's natural defense against germs, stress, and disease. Hence, drinking basil tea is claimed to rejuvenate the soul by balancing metabolism, building stamina, and promoting mental clarity. Let's now see how to make the tea. Ingredients: dried basil 1 tablespoon. If you are using fresh leaves, then add 2 tablespoons. Water 1 cup. Procedure: add 1 tablespoon of dried basil and pour 1 cup of boiling water over it per serving. Steep the tea for 30 minutes or to taste. The long brewing time allows the hot water to extract more flavor from the basil. Now strain the tea. You can add honey, black pepper, or grated ginger as per your liking to it. You can drink it in the morning or after a meal. Drink for 7 days and then take a break of 2 weeks and continue again. Do try this fantastic basil tea and I'm sure you will feel refreshed and rejuvenating. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.